Clear on the right, nobody coming on my left. Here we go. You guys all set?
Yeah.
Go home. Alright, engine gauges are in the green. Looking good, airspeed's alive. Looking for 71 knots. Rotate. Alright, runway heading. Clear of obstacles, flaps coming up, and we're on runway heading.
Cirrus 191 Delta Delta, contact NorCal departure.
Over to departure, have a great day, Cirrus 191 Delta Delta. NorCal departure, good afternoon, Cirrus 191 Delta Delta's with you. Climbing out of 600 for 5,000, runway heading.
Number 191 Delta Delta, NorCal departure, we're to contact, climb and maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000, Cirrus 191 Delta Delta. Alright, climbing 5,000, runway heading. See the San Francisco Bay in front of us, guys.
There's Levi Stadium, right?
Yep.
There's a game going on.
Is there?
Soccer.
Cool.
They're Top Golf.
Could be.
Yeah.
November 1 Delta Delta, turn right heading 100, vectors for Victor 107.
Right turn heading 100, Cirrus 191 Delta Delta. Alright, checks. Pump mixture will come back slightly. Turn to the right. Alright, right turn heading 100. Cool views. Cool shot of the airport.